Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So with all of the traveling that I've been doing lately requires obviously a lot of packing and unpacking, and through that process I have come to learn and will realize that the left side of my closet is an absolute disorganized mess. I'm talking like purses are shoved all the way like in the back of the closet, like in the little like cubby sections that I have, and it's driving me nuts. So the other day when I went shopping for Halloween decor and I was hitting up all the HomeGoods, I found some of these organization bins. They were really great price. It was a set of 3 and it was only like $12.99. So you can see here, if the ring light ever lets me show. So you see here the price, and it's by this brand called Basket Panniers. I don't know, it just shows that it was made in Spain, so whatever. And then these big ones, I believe, oh well yeah, they were only $19.99 each. I have my little assistant here with me. You ready to clean? No, you're ready to nap. Yes, it's already time for her mid-morning nap. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I kind of have a generalized idea of where I want to put things. It's pretty much going to stay in the same kind of layout, but yeah, you know, enough chit-chatting, let's get started. Alrighty, so from what you can see, it is a really big disorganized mess. I have like all of my mini ears over there. This is like old weird like memorabilia that I like to keep, like Broadway play, the playbills. I have like some Halloween and Christmas decor in there, just my childhood stuffed animals, traveling stuff, old, oh, I didn't realize I have old stuffed toys up there. Okay, gotta get rid of that. But you guys see, it's a mess. So there's also even like some dust on there that accumulates. I promise you guys, I promise I'm a clean person, but I just never realized how dirty some parts of the house gets. So let's go. Can you tell I love Disney? Or that I love going to Disney? Guys, if you didn't know this, I used to be an ice skater. And I still have my skates. A cute little hippo cover on the blades. Oh, it makes me want to go skating again. Oh, I used to be obsessed with Kipling. If you went to Epiphany from 2004 to 2007, you know how much we all loved our Kipling bags and how badly like you had to have one. Okay, so like this will just go to show you how much how much of a candle hoarder I am. Like this is a candle that Cassandra brought me from London. I started burning it and I then realized, oh, like who knows when I can ever go back to London, like why am I gonna burn it and like get rid of it? Plus it's really cool with all like the lions and stuff. I love that so much. And then this is a Henry Bendel candle. Oh god, this was amazing. This is cashmere. And Henry Bendel obviously went out of business, so they don't make those anymore. And I think I saw like on Amazon, because I was trying to like order one and someone had bought them in bulk and was like reselling them. It's like $100 for the candle now. So I was like, no. And then this is just a candle that I got at the Saks outlet over at Sawgrass. And this was like a $50 candle, but somebody had burned it and then returned it because I guess they didn't like the smell of it. And I was able to get it for like 20 bucks. And I'm like, and this like container is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'm keeping it. Like, hasn't been, oof, that smells bad. That wax has not been burned in forever. So, not that the candle smelled bad. It did not. Once it stopped burning, and the wax that's been sitting there for years and years on end, that's what smells bad. Oh, okay. Alrighty, so now that everything has been emptied out, I'm just going to give it a quick dust and wipe down, and then we get to put everything back in. But then just look at everything scattered. That's disgusting. That is very gross. Okay, that side was a lot dirtier than I thought it was going to be. So now that everything's been wiped down, I'm just going to give a quick little vacuum like here on the floor in case there's any dust that fell. And well, then we'll be good to go on putting in the storage bins. Okay, so I kind of already set up the bins in an order that I like, and then I went ahead and I got a Post-it and I kind of pre-organized already where I want to put everything. And then these white bins with memorabilia and stuff, those were just not going to change, so I put those there. And then that one holds all the Christmas decor. that is like Halloween costumes that I have like from leftover, like little accessories. This is all stuff, like I was telling you guys, I love collecting the playbills from Broadway shows that I have, just like some other fun stuff in here, like my graduation cap, that's from undergrad. No, sorry, this is for my master's, and then this was from undergrad. So, you know, just like some stuff that I feel like I can't really throw away. And then I put my skates up there. That's a memory box that will never ever leave me. And then I'm not too sure what I'm going to put in those, but as we go ahead and start organizing, we will just figure it out as we go. Oh, and I want to tell you guys about this. It's a headband holder that I found on Amazon that a bunch of other vloggers have recommended, but I'm going to use this for my mini ears because, as you guys just saw, like I have a bunch. So let's go ahead and get this organized. Wait, how cute is this? I got this, my mom got this as a gift from like her old co-workers right before I was born, and it's just like the most precious little backpack that I've never been able to get rid of. It has my name on it with some little hearts. It's old. The zipper is like, this isn't even white anymore, it's like yellow. But it's one of those things that are just, it's just so sentimental that I just can't get rid of. And then of course I have to have my little crown. Okay, I'm done. So let me show you guys everything that I did. Ta-da! Alrighty, so for when you first look at my closet, I have right here on this shelf my jewelry box with my piggy bank that's in the shape of a perfume bottle back there, the candle from Henry Bendel, and some little knickknacks. Like in here I put like all of my foreign money, like there's a Mexican peso, and then, you know, some coins and stuff from Europe. Right here in this little bowl from Croatia that my mom got me is some safety pins, and we'll ignore the bullets. But I have down here then some safety pins and other fashion emergency essentials. Right down over here is going to be my Christmas decor in that white box. Right here I have vlog equipment, some baseball hats, then the headband holder from Amazon that I'm using for my mini ears. Up here is going to be the evening bags. Then there's like medium-sized bags. Up there is going to be some scrapbooks and other little books that I like to keep. Some other boxes from some bags that I've, well, like some purses that I've bought. That's my memory box that has a lot of special events, like memorabilia from those events in there. I'll never get rid of that. My ice skates are going to be up there, followed by another purse and its dust bag, and my traveling like neck pillow. Here's all the beach bags. This is going to be all my backpacks. These are all tote bags. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, and then this beach bag and this beach hat were too big to even put in the cubbies. So I have like random nails that I found when we first moved into this house that are like, that's like a better view of like what they are. Yeah, and I just utilize it to just hang other stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much how everything ended up. If you guys have any tips and tricks on organizing, go ahead and put them in the comments down below. I'd love to see everyone else's different perspective on organizing. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.